So if you download torrents on Linux and you don't know about hard links, you need to know. So what are hard links? So basically say you have a file. So all that file is, it's a data, it's a link to some data on your computer, link to some data on your disk. And you can make like any number of links to that data, like you can do file 1, you can do file 2. So all files are basically linked to data, like the files you see on your computer, and you can make any number of links to that data. So you might think like this is a link to this, but that's not the case. This is a link to this. And so what does it mean is I can delete the original and this will still be a link to this because there was no original. Both of them are just as original. If I delete all of them, I will lose my file. So why should I care about it? So say you download a lot of torrents and you have like Linux ISOs and you want to rename them. You cannot really rename them because if you rename them, your torrent client will be like, you renamed them. How will I like seed them? And if you're not seeding, then you're like, yeah. So if you like, I cannot do this, right? But what I can do is I can use the ln command to link it somewhere, like link it in my home directory. As you can see, it did not work because you cannot link from one partition to another. Like this is on my SDA partition and my home is my NVMe partition, so I cannot link them. But what we can do is we can link from the same disk to the same disk. So my videos in on the same partition and I can do that. As you can see, it's there. Now that's cool, but what if I want to link all of these files? I could do something like asterisk, but I want recursively, right? And ln does not have a recursive flag. There is no way to do it recursively. So what can I do here? So first what I did was I actually made a script for it. As you can see, I made it using ChatGPT, but yeah, it was pretty stupid actually. So basically CP can also hard link. Like CP has a L flag that can hard link. Like I, as you can see, -L says hard link files instead of copying. So you can do something like cp-lr to recursively hard link a directory. Let me show you. So I can do cp-lr shinchan I don't know, let's just do it in videos. And if I go to videos, you can see I have my files here. I can do rename them, I can delete one of them, I can do anything, and my original files will not be touched. They will be just as they were, and I can even delete entire all of them. So yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching.